To replace the combined cable of Ray5 miniS, you should first remove the acrylic cover bottom plate. Unplug the laser module cable, X-axis motor cable, X-axis hard limit, Y-axis motor cable. Use an Allen wrench to loosen the screws and remove the cover. Use an Allen wrench to loosen the 4 screws securing the motherboard. Remove the assembly cable from the Y-axis hard limit gap. Unplug the antenna. X-axis motor, Y-axis motor, laser module. X-axis hard limit. Take the new combo cable and plug it into the motherboard. X-axis motor, Y-axis motor, laser module, X-axis hard limit. Connect the antenna to the motherboard. Place the cables and motherboard into the front beam through the gap in the Y-axis hard limit. The Type-C and power on the front of the front beam should be aligned with the motherboard sockets. Secure the motherboard with screws. Install the front beam cover. Connect the Y-axis motor cable, X-axis hard limit, and fixed with Velcro. Connect the X-axis motor cable and secure it with Velcro. Connect the laser module cable. Finally, install the acrylic cover base.